everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. As you can tell from the title, we're going to be taking down our Christmas decorations today. Today's already the 2nd of January. I really wanted to take them down yesterday on the 1st, but you know, like the whole build up to New Year's, yesterday, New Year's Day, we were just sort of lounging around, you know, watching movies and just embracing that we're over 2020 and we're in a new year, if you get what I mean. I really wasn't up to doing anything like that yesterday. So today is the 2nd of January and I'm going to be taking down the Christmas decorations. I've still got my decorations in my bedroom here on the dressing table, Oakley's little room as well. Did actually decorate my office as well a little bit off camera. You guys never got to see that. And also there's another area in the house that I've decorated, which was the kitchen. You know, I put a few little decorations in the kitchen as well. Okay, so how am I going to do this? I'm thinking to maybe just start upstairs here, because upstairs there's only a few little bits I need to pull away, and then downstairs, you know, we've got the Christmas tree, which is so lovely. It's also lovely putting it all up, isn't it? But putting it all down, it can be a little bit overwhelming. I've got a few containers and boxes to actually store the decorations in. I'm gonna have to go up into the loft and get those down. I forgot to ask hubby before he went off to work to actually get them out of the loft for me, but it's absolutely fine. I can go up there very quickly while Oakley's downstairs, get those boxes out and then start undecorating. I find that when the Christmas decorations come down, you can actually kickstart into new year. Do you get what I mean? With the Christmas decorations up, you still feel like you're actually in last year. You're still kind of on that Christmas vibe, if you get what I mean. So they're definitely going to come down today and I'm going to take you along with me. I might have a little helper as well. You might see Oakley pop up in this video. You know, he's going to be sort of helping me, like put the barbells away in the boxes and all that kind of stuff. He's all excited for it. He can't actually wait to put them down. Okay, so Oakley's come to help me, haven't you, Oakley? Oh, you want to help mommy put down the Christmas decorations? Say yes.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, say yes then.
Yes.
Oh, all right then. Okay, good boy. These on the bed for mummy. Yeah.
I put them in the bed.
That's it.
Move up.
Good boy.
Not. It is Christmas. It's not Christmas today.
Yeah, Christmas is finished now.
Yeah.
It's New Year now.
Yeah, New Year.
Gonna help mummy with that one as well? Excellent. Oh, and
Yeah.
you mustn't forget about these. You want to help mummy take those down? Okay, you stand up. Let me put your shirt in. You got it off? Let's see, 1 minute. You got it off? Oh, do you know what? It's caught on one of the beads. There you go. Oh!
Nice go.
Okay, that's a good way of taking them
And
down.
another one.
No, that's not a Christmas decoration, is it? No. Okay, come down then. Woo! What are you doing?
Do something.
They can't see you. Bend down. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Say Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Oh.
Happy
Doing his Spider-Man impression. Come. Whoop. Okay, so that's the decorations out from my bedroom. Now we're going to go into Oakley's room. I'm now in Oakley's room and we're going to start taking down the decorations on his little table here and all the rest of the decorations, change his bed covers as well. So we're going to take you along with us for that as well, okay?
Yeah, okay. Bye, y'all.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to use Oakley's Christmas Eve box to put these Christmas bits in from his room. So even next year, or this year rather, this year I know that in this box is Oakley's Christmas decorations. I might change them up a bit this year, who knows. But I'm going to store them away in this box for now.
And this one. And the windows.
Oh, Okay, did you want to do some? Come on this side. Okay, look, sit up here. Okay. Gonna put some in. There you go.
The nutcrackers have no arms.
You're saying the nutcracker's got no arm. One of the arms fell off, or don't know how that happened actually.
I'm doing it, Mommy.
You done it?
Yes.
Oh, he's just telling me that he did it. Oh, dear me. Okay. Oh, that was from the nutcracker, isn't it?
Yeah.
You put it in the box then.
It's in Santa's head.
Go on then. Another little reindeer to go in.
What? This one. What's this doing here?
Those are your crackers that you made, isn't it?
Yeah, for me.
You put those all in there as well.
What about more?
Oh.
And look,
What's that?
King Heart.
A king heart.
Yeah,
And who's that? Who was that one? Who did you make this for?
for you.
For me.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Look.
Oh, that's where Nutcracker's arm had got to.
Yeah.
And the sword. Oh, do your tree together then. Wanna help Mummy?
Yeah. I think I want to open my tree. I can open my tree.
Open your tree? What do you mean?
Open the gate.
Oh, open the lights. Okay. Oh, where is the lights gone? Where did you see the lights?
Yeah.
There you go. Do you want to press it?
Yeah. That's shining.
Yeah, it's all got to go away now, isn't it? Until later on in the year again.
Yeah.
Oh, no, don't do that. Just put them all together in Mummy's hand like this. Yeah?
And the window.
And the reindeer.
Open the reindeer. The red one. So, and the trees.
Okay, put those all in there.
And where is the Christmas tree?
Like
What
so.
about the Christmas tree going away?
Yeah, the Christmas tree just folds down. Just take the legs off.
Yeah.
Like this.
I wanted to.
So take one of the legs off. Mind your face. Good boy. And then you've got to squish it all together now. That's it. Make it all nice and flat. Until later on this year, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so pop those in there as well. All of it goes in.
So my room is finished again.
And then that's all the decorations, all in this little box here. Disaster. This is the handle. Oakley's and Stitches. Okay, this is the handle for the box, and the box and all its content is on the floor. Why your R2D2 doesn't stand up?
Because it's special.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said.